Welcome to AI Tell Us 7. Today, I have brought to you another interesting question and step-by-step solution. Let's begin.
How to solve this exponential equation. 10 to the 2x equals 100 to the third. We need to find the value of x.
Let's solve it for good. We will rewrite the equation. Replace 100 with 10 to the second. We know 10 to the second equals 100. So equation would be, we will apply exponential rule here. We have some exponential rules here. We will apply fifth rule in our equation, which is b to the m to the n equals b to the m times n. So we have here now we can see the bases are same. We know the rule, if b to the x equals b to the y, then it would be x equals y. Since the bases are equal, we ignore the 10 and compare only the powers. This is called equating the exponents. So our equation would be 2x equals 6. Then x equals 6 over 2, and x equals 3. Final answer would be x equals 3. If you like and learn something, subscribe for more interesting questions. Thanks for watching.